The female body and mind have been subjects of fascination, research, and exploration for centuries. From biological distinctions to intriguing psychological tendencies, women exhibit unique characteristics that make them an essential part of the human story. Here we will delve into various interesting facts about the female body, the psychological aspects of women, and how these features influence their roles in society. Before we continue, please hit the subscribe button for upcoming videos. Thank you. 1. Biological facts about the female body. A. Women have a higher pain tolerance. One of the more surprising facts about women is their ability to endure pain. Studies suggest that women have a higher threshold for pain than men, even though they tend to report pain more often. This ability is thought to be linked to evolutionary factors, as childbirth requires women to cope with intense pain. Hormonal fluctuations during a woman's life, such as those from estrogen and oxytocin, also play a role in how pain is perceived and managed. B. Women's hearts beat faster. On average, women have smaller hearts than men, but they beat faster. A woman's heart beats around 78 times per minute compared to 70 beats per minute for men. This faster heart rate is partially due to the fact that women's hearts are smaller, meaning they need to pump blood more frequently to keep the body functioning effectively. C. Women have stronger immune systems. Women generally have a stronger immune response than men. This may be due to the presence of estrogen, which helps protect against infections. However, this heightened immune response comes at a cost. Women are more likely to develop autoimmune diseases like lupus and rheumatoid arthritis. D. Women live longer than men. Globally, women tend to live longer than men. This has been attributed to several factors, including biological, behavioral, and lifestyle differences. Women are less likely to engage in risky behaviors like smoking and excessive drinking, and they tend to be more proactive in seeking medical care, contributing to their longevity. E. Women's bodies are more flexible. Women are generally more flexible than men due to their muscle composition and hormonal influences, particularly the hormone relaxin, which loosens ligaments. This flexibility plays a role in childbirth and makes women more adept at activities requiring suppleness, such as gymnastics and yoga. 2. Interesting psychological facts about women. A. Women are more empathetic. One of the most widely recognized psychological differences between men and women is that women are generally more empathetic. Studies show that women tend to score higher on tests that measure empathy and emotional intelligence. This heightened emotional awareness is linked to the brain's mirror neurons, which allow women to understand and respond to the emotions of others more easily. It's one reason why women are often seen as better communicators and nurturers. B. Women are better at multitasking. Research indicates that women are better at multitasking than men. While men tend to focus on one task at a time, women are better equipped to handle multiple tasks simultaneously. This skill is thought to be an evolutionary trait developed over time to manage the responsibilities of caregiving, household chores, and other daily activities that require juggling multiple demands. C. Women remember faces better. One of the more interesting psychological facts about women is their ability to remember faces more accurately than men. Women tend to focus on facial features and subtle expressions more than men, which enhances their memory of faces. This may be tied to women's enhanced emotional perception, as facial expressions are key to understanding emotions and social cues. D. Women are more prone to anxiety. Although women are emotionally stronger in many ways, they are more prone to anxiety and depression compared to men. This is largely due to hormonal fluctuations, especially during menstruation, pregnancy, and menopause. Additionally, societal pressures and the expectation to juggle various roles, such as caregiving, career responsibilities, and social obligations, contribute to higher stress levels. E. Women tend to be more cautious psychologically. Women are often more cautious and risk-averse than men. This behavior is not only due to socialization but may also be linked to evolutionary biology. Women are biologically predisposed to be more protective of themselves and others, especially when caring for children, which could explain their tendency to avoid risky situations. 3. Sociocultural and psychological influences. A. The role of hormones. Hormones play a crucial role in many aspects of a woman's physical and mental state. Estrogen and progesterone, The primary female sex hormones influence everything from mood to metabolism. Fluctuations in these hormones during the menstrual cycle, pregnancy, and menopause can lead to changes in energy levels, emotions, and cognitive function. Additionally, oxytocin, often called the love hormone, plays a key role in bonding, which is why women tend to be more nurturing and social. B. Women have unique brain structures. Research has shown that women's brains are wired differently from men's. The corpus callosum, the part of the brain that connects the two hemispheres, is larger in women. This allows for better communication between the left and right sides of the brain, enabling women to process emotional and logical information simultaneously. This structure also contributes to women's superior verbal skills and emotional intelligence. C. Women's friendships are more intimate. The way women form relationships and friendships differs from how men do. Women tend to bond over emotional connections and shared experiences. Their friendships often involve deeper conversations and emotional support, while men may focus more on activities or shared interests. This tendency for intimacy in relationships may be rooted in the same hormonal influences, such as oxytocin, that promote bonding and empathy. D. Women are more aware of social dynamics. Women are often more attuned to social situations and dynamics. This heightened awareness is not only about understanding social cues but also about being able to navigate complex social networks. Women's ability to read emotions, understand non-verbal communication, and maintain relationships contributes to their social intelligence. E. Societal expectations and gender roles. The psychological and sociocultural experiences of women are heavily shaped by gender roles and societal expectations. From a young age, girls are often socialized to be more nurturing, emotionally expressive, and cooperative, while boys may be encouraged to be independent and assertive. These gender norms influence not only women's behavior but also their self-perception and mental health. In many societies, women still face expectations to juggle multiple roles: career, family, and social responsibilities, leading to increased pressure and stress. 4. Unique health considerations for women. A. Women and cardiovascular health. While men are more likely to suffer from heart disease at a younger age, cardiovascular health remains a major concern for women, particularly after menopause when estrogen levels drop. Women's symptoms of heart disease are often more subtle than men's, leading to delays in diagnosis and treatment. Raising awareness about these differences can lead to better health outcomes for women. B. Women's mental health. Women are more likely to experience mental health issues such as anxiety, depression, and eating disorders. These conditions are often exacerbated by the pressures of societal expectations, body image issues, and the emotional toll of caregiving roles. Access to mental health resources and support networks is crucial for addressing these challenges. Conclusion. Women's bodies and minds are unique and fascinating in many ways. From their biological differences to their psychological tendencies, women exhibit a range of characteristics that set them apart. Understanding these differences not only enhances our appreciation of women's roles in society, but also helps create a more supportive and inclusive environment. Whether it's their ability to multitask, their superior empathy, or their biological resilience, women continue to amaze with their strength, complexity, and resilience. As society evolves, acknowledging these facts will contribute to a better understanding of the female experience, leading to greater respect, equality, and empowerment for women everywhere.